Good morning. Let us study today kinetics and mechanism of photochemical reaction of hydrogen gas with chlorine gas in the presence of light to give hydrogen chloride HCl gas. The overall reaction for this photochemical reaction is hydrogen gas reacts with the chlorine gas in the presence of light to give hydrogen chloride. From the experimental studies, the following mechanism is proposed. From experimental studies, by studying experimentally, four-step mechanism is suggested. In the first step, chlorine interacts with the light to give two chlorine atoms. Highly reactive transient chlorine atoms are produced. This immediately chlorine atom is highly reactive, therefore it immediately reacts with the chlorine to give HCl plus highly unstable, highly reactive hydrogen atom. Okay, this hydrogen atom then immediately reacts with the chlorine to form Cl2 to give HCl plus chlorine atom. The chlorine atom collides, two chlorine atoms at the same time collides at the walls to give Cl2 gas. In the previous slide, we have seen the mechanism of the photochemical reaction. Let us now derive the rate law for the photochemical formation of hydrogen chloride. Derivation of rate law for formation of HCl. In the overall reaction, hydrogen chloride is formed. Okay. According to this mechanism, HCl is formed in step 2. HCl is formed in step 2 and step 3. Okay. Therefore, the rate of formation of HCl is given by RHCl equal to D concentration of HCl divided by dt equal to K2, that is K2 concentration of Cl, concentration of hydrogen plus K3 concentration of hydrogen atom into concentration of chlorine. This is the rate law for formation of HCl. In this equation, the concentrations of hydrogen gas, chlorine gas can be readily determined, whereas the concentrations of chlorine atom, hydrogen atom, they are unstable, highly reactive transient species. They are formed immediately reacted. They are formed immediately reacted with the chlorine or immediately reacted with the Cl2. So their concentrations, steady state concentrations, are obtained by applying steady state approximation method. We have already studied this steady state approximation method in kinetics. Please watch the video lesson and understand. So how the concentrations of hydrogen atom, the concentrations of chlorine atom are obtained by applying steady state approximation. As I said, the hydrogen atoms, chlorine atoms are highly reactive. They are formed and immediately consumed. So the rate of formation of chlorine atom equal to rate of decomposition of chlorine atom. Similarly, rate of formation of hydrogen atom equal to rate of decomposition of hydrogen atom. So R of C concentration of Cl minus RD rate of decomposition of Cl equal to 0. As in the mechanism, according to the mechanism, chlorine atoms are formed in step 1 and step 3. Okay, chlorine atoms are formed and chlorine atoms are consumed in step 2 and step 4. Rate of formation means plus, rate of decomposition means minus. Okay, now rate of in the first step, for example, in the first step, K1 concentration of IA, intensity of IA equal to intensity of light absorbed into chlorine concentration Cl0. See, anything to the power 0 equal to 1, therefore K1 IA, here K1 IA, because why 0? Chlorine atom to the power 0, Cl2. Photochemical reactions are invariably zero order reactions, as no activation energy is involved in photochemical reaction. Photochemical reactions have zero order. Therefore, Cl2 0 equal to K1IA. K1IA, chlorine atom, is formed in the first step, and in the second step it is decomposed. Therefore, minus K2 concentration of chlorine atom, concentration of hydrogen atom. Then in the third step, chlorine atom is produced, is formed. Therefore, plus K3 concentration of hydrogen atom into concentration of chlorine Cl2 gas, minus because in step 4 chlorine is consumed, therefore minus K4 Cl concentration of chlorine atom. This reaction, this equation is called 2. Similarly, by applying steady state approximation for hydrogen atom, rate of formation of hydrogen atom is equal to rate of decomposition of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is highly reactive, unstable, so it is formed and immediately consumed. Therefore, the rate of formation of hydrogen atom equal to rate of decomposition of hydrogen atom. It can be written as RF, concentration of hydrogen atom, minus RD, concentration of hydrogen atom, equal to 0. In this, hydrogen atom is formed in step 2 and the hydrogen atom is consumed in step 3. Okay. Now, therefore, K2 is formed in step 2, it is formed, therefore K2 concentration of chlorine atom, concentration of H2 gas, minus in step 3 it is reacted, it is decomposed, it is consumed, therefore K3 concentration of hydrogen atom, concentration Cl2 equal to 0. Okay, because the rate of formation minus rate of decomposition equal to 0. This is equation 3. Adding equation 2, let us add equation 2, the previous equation 2 plus 3, we get on simplification, on cancelling, K1IA minus K4Cl equal to 0. Therefore, concentration of chlorine atom equal to K1 by K4IA. Thus, by adding equation 2 and 3, we have obtained the concentration of steady state concentration of chlorine atom at that time. Now, substitute this chlorine in equation 3. Let us substitute this in equation. For example, here, let us substitute here chlorine. Then you can obtain the concentration of hydrogen. Now we have obtained, the concentration of hydrogen, we have obtained the concentration of chlorine atom. Let us substitute in equation 1 the rate law. Therefore, the rate law is thus obtained. This is very simple. Okay, we will see further. So, from equation 3, K2, this is obtained. Now, concentration of hydrogen equal to K2 concentration of chlorine atom, H2 gas, divided by K3 concentration of Cl2. Let us substitute chlorine in this equation, chlorine concentration in this equation. We obtain K1, K2, Ia concentration of H2 divided by H2 gas divided by K4, K3 concentration of chlorine. So, we have obtained the concentration of chlorine atoms, the concentration of hydrogen atoms by applying steady state approximation. Substitute these two in equation 1 and on simplification, please write and see, we get this rate of formation of HCl equal to KIA concentration of H2, where K equal to 2K1 2 into K1 K2 divided by K4. Therefore, the rate of formation of HCl is directly proportional to the intensity of light absorbed, and the rate of reaction is also first order with respect to hydrogen H2 gas concentration. So we have derived the kinetics, the rate law for the formation of HCl using the mechanism. So they will give the mechanism and they will ask in competitive exams, in CSIR and GATE, in any competitive exam, they will give you the mechanism. You just apply the same principle, steady state approximation, you obtain the rate of formation of HCl, rate of formation of any HX, anything. Thank you for watching.